This is Lori. We're at the National Hardware Show here in Las Vegas, and I have Brian at the Aqua Coat ink booth. Brian, you've got some really cool things for those of us who like to paint and do to change our look of some of our cabinets and different things. Brian, you got to show us this because this is really neat.
This is a water-based, eco-friendly grain filler used to fill the grain on your cabinets when you want to paint them. If you scuff your cabinets and apply the grain filler, you can see this is not applied and this is applied and then painted. It's eco-friendly, it's water-based, non-flammable, non-combustible, low odor, low VOC, and very easy to use. It's a gel, it's easy to apply. Here's a board with one with 2 coats, and you can see that the grain is filled where it is and it stays in there, and then you prime over it and paint over it. Here's our Sam applying some grain filler on a board as a demo. You just put it on, force it in, go across the grain, forcing it into the grain. Then you'll scrape off the excess. It's very easy to use. It's water friendly, water-based, cleans up with water. And that's it. You can see where it's in the grain on there. You let it dry 30 to 45 minutes, and then you would lightly scuff sand it right before you're going to apply another coat or right before you're going to apply your primer or paint.
And this one would be lightly ready to be painted, right?
In 30 to 40, this one, has 2 coats and it's ready to be painted, correct.
And then, of course, they have kind of a comparison here. One that was painted without being treated with that and one with, and look how nice and smooth it is. So, Brian, to find out more information, where can we go?
www.aquacoat.com.
That sounds great, and we'll put the link below. Thank you, Brian.
For more tips and how-to videos, go to weekendhandyman.com.